Hello guys, welcome back to the channel of the Italian guy. If you are new in this channel, my name is Giuseppe, I'm 46 years old and I have been eating keto for 19 months so far and I feel like a lion. My channel deals about keto recipes. I have fun in turning traditional recipes into keto one whenever it's possible. I review items and I travel. I love traveling, so once in a while you will see on my channel some video blog. Today a special recipe, special because with the same ingredients you can have two recipes, so to say, thanks to these cocoa butter beans I bought. But I will show you in detail after the preparation of the recipe. Follow me. So let's start by putting in the small pot 50 grams of erythritol. Low flame. Then we add some double or heavy cream, 100 ml. So to make the erythritol to melt, to completely melt, dissolve a little bit more. Then we start stirring until the erythritol has melted completely. Then we add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Be careful not to use a sweetened one because the amount of carbs rise considerably. This is completely to taste, so I prefer to put 2 tablespoons, but if you like less chocolate, so to say, aroma, just put only 1 tablespoon. Start stirring again until the cocoa powder is completely dissolved, and when this happens, 50 grams of cocoa butter, or you can put more, this up to you. Yeah, keep stirring until the cocoa butter dissolves as well, and then here you are. You already have hot chocolate. Of course you have to let it cool down a little bit. And yeah, this is the first product out of 3 with the same ingredients. Look at, 4 hours in the fridge, I will show you later. Look at the thickness. And then if you put it in the fridge, of course it gets solid, and then this is the second product. It's a chocolate bar and it's really sweet, guys, really nice, very nice chocolate taste, delicious. And now if you leave it at room temperature for a while, it gets soft. Look in the top right corner, you see it got a bump. So by doing this you can spread it on a piece of bread. Yes, so now let's taste it. Really delicious indeed. Yeah, so scrumptious. Delicious, really delicious indeed. I'm dubbing the video because I didn't shoot this part in English language, but anyway. Now I want to show you the cocoa beans. Yeah, cocoa beans. So this is the package of 1 kilogram. And but I want to focus your attention on the amount of carbs. I will get the zoom on the nutritional values, and as you can see, for 100 grams of product we have minus 0.1 grams. This is crazy, guys. It's really crazy. Minus 0.1 grams of carbs. So this is by far the lowest, yeah, because it's just cocoa butter, they are not processed. So the amount of carb is literally insignificant. I will leave the link in the description to buy them from Amazon. Yeah, they look like white chocolate buttons, but they are definitely not, because there is not white chocolate at all. It's just pure cocoa butter. And when you taste them, they look like butter in the mouth, but it's not the taste of the butter, of course, because it's cocoa butter. You have to taste them to understand what I'm telling you. And I know also that people use those ones for making soaps, but this is maybe another topic on a future video. Okay, that's it. So you can really make three products out of this recipe. So the same ingredient, if you put it in the fridge, you can have a chocolate bar, or as straight as you melted it, and you can have a hot chocolate. And also, if you put it in the outside the fridge for a while, you can have some spreadable cream. And here is the hot chocolate. I wanted to show you the thickness, you know. Yeah, you see, it completely covered the teaspoon. And yeah, buon appetito. You can also achieve this chocolate, hot chocolate, that is really, really delicious. And is fully keto. So with three, you can achieve with the same ingredients, three different recipes, so to say. The hot chocolate, just a chocolate bar, or if you let it, if you put it outside the fridge for a while, room temperature, you can even spread it on your keto bread. Here there are some recipes. So that's it. If you make your variation, let me know about it. Be sure, be careful with the unsweetened cocoa powder, because you know it's low in carb, but if you keep adding, it will be high in carb. So if you are a chocolate maker, I would appreciate if you could give me any suggestion on how to make chocolate from the cocoa butter and not from the commercial chocolate bar. I've been experimenting, as you can see now. You see, I tried to make white chocolate without milk powder, and I couldn't make the erythritol to blend, to emulsify with the cocoa butter. You see this sharp line in between. So I would appreciate your comments about it. Also your comments about the variation on this recipe. So let me know if you like it. This brings us to the end of the video. Subscribe please, or here, yeah, okay, whatever, on the red button, and help me to grow. Share the video with your friends if you liked it, and I'm waiting for your comments. Have a very nice day. See you at next time.